Hello.
Hello.
Abby and I are here to have another fun line lesson. Today we're talking more about two lines and what happens when two lines are in relation to each other. And so last time we talked about parallel lines, which stay the same distance all the way along their length. And we talked convergent lines, which are coming towards each other till they meet, and divergent lines, which start close together and then move further apart. Now we're going to look at two more vocabulary words about lines, but these ones are lines that actually are going to meet and cross. So let's get our screen here so we can see this. Okay, I want to show you the first one. Here we have a blue line, and here we have a pink line. That blue line and that pink line are crossing or intersecting with each other. They're intersecting. Okay. Here I have a green horizontal line, and here I have a black vertical line. These two lines, put it right there. These two lines are intersecting. That doesn't look quite right. Let's see if we can get it. There we go. That's a little straighter for you. When this vertical line is crossing this green line, it's doing something special. It's making a right angle, and we can measure that and look and see that sure enough, it's a right angle, just like the edge of a piece of paper. It's making a right angle. When two lines intersect and the angle that they create is a right angle, we call these perpendicular lines. These lines are perpendicular because where they cross, they make a 90-degree angle. Now, I said that I was using a horizontal line and a vertical line because I was practicing some of our vocabulary. Perpendicular just means that they cross at a 90-degree angle. So we could rotate this like this. Those are still perpendicular. Look at that. It still makes a 90-degree angle. It's not perpendicular because it's horizontal and vertical. It's perpendicular because the angle that is made is 90 degrees. So that is the only tricky part from this lesson, is that perpendicular lines are formed when lines cross and make a 90-degree angle. That's a perpendicular lines. Now, these ones over here, do they make a 90-degree angle on any of their angles? No, they don't. These two lines intersect, but don't intersect and make a 90-degree angle. We can check that. Like we can see here, we can see there's lots of space there. Or if we were to put this one in here, it overlaps. This does not make 90 degrees. We call these oblique intersecting lines, like oblique lines, but oblique intersecting lines. Those were your two new words for this lesson. Perpendicular, where our two lines cross at a 90-degree angle, and oblique, where our two lines cross, but not at a 90-degree angle. So your new words this week were parallel, where two lines travel but never meet. We learned about convergent, where lines come together. We learned about divergent, where lines move apart. And now we've talked about intersecting lines, where they can intersect at 90 degrees, or they can intersect at not 90 degrees. So that's how two lines interact with each other, or the relationship between two lines. I hope you enjoyed learning about perpendicular and oblique intersecting lines. We'll see you next time.